AI is evolving fast, and people are asking, will AI take my job? The answer might surprise you. Stay until the end to find out which jobs are safe and which ones are at risk. 1. The rise of AI in jobs. AI is already replacing human tasks in many industries. ChatGPT writes content, Midjourney creates artwork, and AI-powered robots work in factories. Companies love AI because it's fast, cheap, and never gets tired. 2. Jobs at high risk of AI replacement. Some jobs are more at risk than others. If your job involves repetitive tasks, AI might take over. Here are a few examples. Customer service representatives. AI chatbots handle customer questions 24 hours, 7 days a week. Data entry jobs. AI can process and analyze data faster than humans. Basic content writing. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate articles and scripts. Graphic designers, some tasks. AI tools like Midjourney create professional-level designs instantly. But don't worry, not all jobs will disappear. 3. Jobs that AI can't fully replace. AI is powerful, but it can't replace creativity, human emotions, or complex problem-solving. These jobs are safer. Creative professions, writers, filmmakers, designers. AI helps, but humans add originality. Healthcare and therapy. AI can assist doctors, but empathy and care can't be automated. AI engineers and developers. AI needs humans to build, train, and improve it. Skilled trades, electricians, plumbers, chefs, etc. Physical work requires human skill. 4. How to future-proof your career. AI won't take all jobs, but people who adapt will have the best opportunities. Here's how you can stay ahead. 1. Learn AI skills. Use AI tools to work faster and smarter. 2. Focus on creativity and problem-solving. AI lacks human imagination. 3. Develop tech skills. Coding, data science, and AI development are future-proof. 4. Stay updated. AI is changing fast. Keep learning and improving. AI is not the enemy. It's a tool. The real question is, will you use AI, or will AI replace you? Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI insights. Thank you for watching.